Okay, hello everyone. Got the Hotas T-Flight Hotas One. We unbox. So before we unbox, it comes with throttle and joystick. You can get the rudder pedals, but I'm not, because we got all different languages here, alright? And then we got the whatever. And these are all the controls. Okay. We got the warnings, whatever, made in China. And we open this. Okay. You open it and then you open it. Alright. We see with styrofoam. And we get the Game Pass thing, which you can get, which is a nice. But what you people are here for is the actual thing. So yeah. So how do we Gotta put the box sideways. Which one do we take off first? Yeah, this one. Then we got the instruction manual. We're gonna put this to the side as well. We're gonna put the box. Yes. This is the this is the yep. This is it, little bro. Okay. This is all the cables we. But this is bigger than I thought it would be. Okay. Isn't this meant to be like a F-16? Yeah. We're gonna throw these boxes to the side because we don't need the boxes. No. Feels very smooth. And we got the yeah. And this is my A330 cockpit. Got the everything. Okay. Alright, now back to the thing. But we gotta put this, since this is left-handed and I'm right-handed. Okay, we're gonna put that here, on there. We're gonna put the joystick on here, and the throttle on there. I'm not done with the cockpit, by the way. Yeah, so it feels really nice and all. This is the throttle. The engine start, I don't know. Alright. Gotta move this. This is where you connect the thing. Bro, actually, why is the connection port longer than the bro, I need this to be long as that. Okay. Now how do we do this? Okay, this thing, okay. Okay, good. Alright, this thing is long. Actually, really long. Which one is it? Okay, this one. I'm not a professional at this, I'm just. Alright, bro, I swear, if I break this. Alright, but this can't even reach there. Alright. I'm gonna fix that later, but honest reviews, it's pretty sturdy, It's pretty sturdy, so that's literally it for this video. Reasons why I've posted in a year, why I've not posted in a year, I don't know. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys.